Today I'm going to continue with the article named Attack of the Fire Ants. Fire ant venom is a watery solution of toxin that affects human mast cells. These cells are filled with a chemical called histamine. Histamine is the same chemical that triggers the sneezing, itching, and other symptoms of an allergy. When an allergy-causing substance enters the body, the walls of the mast cell weaken until they can no longer contain the histamine. If these histamine explosions occur in the lungs, the reaction can be serious, perhaps including a blockage of the passages that deliver air to the lungs. These lungs problems are not common, but they are a real threat to anyone extremely sensitive to fire ant venom. Nothing can completely neutralize the effects of the fire ant venom, but people sensitive to it live in the to live in the fire ant territory have some treatment choices. Immunotherapy is currently the best option for minimalizing reactions. It consists of a series of injections administered according to a regular schedule. Initially, patients receive very small amounts of fire ant venom that their bodies to tolerate with each can tolerate. With each injection, the amount of venom is increased, which causes the person's body to start building up resistance to it. Eventually, have sufficient defenses to tolerate a fire ant sting. The immunotherapy regime is expensive, and it also requires a long-term commitment. Doctors estimate that treatments will take as long as 2 years. Fire ant populations have not yet established themselves very far north. Many studies have tried to discover which temperatures are too cold for them. In summary, research shows that, like any insect, a fire ant becomes less active as the weather grows colder. Eventually, it becomes totally motionless. Fire ants hit this temperature boundary at about 50 Fahrenheit or 10 Celsius. Above that temperature, ants are active. Below it, the ants slow down dramatically. In places where temperatures stay at least this low for much of the year, ant colonies cannot survive outdoors. Right now, this keeps the fire ants from attacking areas east of the Pacific Coast mountain ranges and the north of Ohio River. Some health officials worry that global warming may open the door for the ant armies to march farther north. A more immediate worry is that ant colonies may take hold inside heated buildings. Under these circumstances, external external temperatures would make no difference at all, and the fry ants would become a bigger up for humans.